Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add primary phone number and then how to add another number and then how to remove it. You need to go to your Facebook profile or from the home page, click your profile icon and then choose setting and privacy and then settings. Scroll down and use mobile. From here you can add phone number so that you can reset your password easily. Choose that and choose a country code where you live. Enter your phone number, mobile number, and you will get a text. And you will get a code. Enter the code you will receive in your phone. Please confirm. You can also listen to it if you don't receive it. You can choose only. You can also turn on text notifications. Okay. So you can add phone number, you can remove it. Put it on. And from there you can remove number. You need to enter the password. Enter password. And you submit. So you remove. You can also again. You can add another mobile number here. If you have, then also for the same process, you can add it. You can make it primary your number and then remove it to make it secondary number or not use it in your account. So in this way you can add or remove your phone number. Add another mobile phone number. Continue. You confirm. You are added another phone number. Now you can remove it again so that you can make the same phone number. Please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.